These are the New Balance waterproof cycling shoe covers. Package is not very large. It's similar to the one my DVD came into. Now we're going to make a little cut here, if I don't cut myself first. Alright, let's see. Wow, that's a little package. Let's see. Two packagings. Wow, they don't feel like they would be waterproof at all. They feel like kind of like spandex, sort of. But I could be wrong. You know, I'm not professional at it, so I couldn't tell you. But I am going to give them a try, and if they are waterproof, I will like them. The only thing I don't like is this blue strip they have down the back side. It's really not going to work for me, so I may take a black Sharpie and just mark it out. But zips up okay. It's got a hole for the heel and a hole for the cleat.